Hi there. If you have been interested in photography for just 5 minutes, I'm sure you have already heard of the rule of thirds. You may also have come across the golden rule, which is, I think it stems back from good old Leonardo da Vinci's days and the mathematicians that worked way back then. I will not go into all those details. There are lots of other good videos about that, but I have a little suggestion for you with regards to these two sort of competing ways of composing your picture. Rule of thirds, as you know, it's about dividing your screen into two vertical and two horizontal lines that are equidistanced. And that gives a composition like this, where if we say the eye of the dog here is to be the center of interest, then you should get it along one of these lines and even better in the intersection of the line. So that's sort of the rule of thirds. It's easy to explain, and you have many cameras that in your viewfinder will give you the option to have the rule of thirds displayed. Now, if we go with the golden rule instead, or the golden ratio, that says that the ratio between different objects in your screen here should be 1 to 1.61. And why is that? I think that's a long discussion, and we come into Fibonacci numbers and many other things, but let's just work with this and say, okay, if we then adjust, you can see here, the rule of thirds, so that now it follows the golden ratio, so that these lines are not equidistant to each other, but they are in relations to each other in line with the golden ratio. Then you will see it is as if these lines, they move inwards a bit, and that would suggest that the eye of the dog should also be moved more towards the center of the frame, and that would look something like this instead. So here the golden ratio is applied in the same picture that you see here. Now, if we look at these side by side, you can see the golden ratio is to the left and the rule of thirds is to the right. And of course, I don't ask you to make a decision based on just one observation here. But I think that there is a little bit food for thought, and my suggestion to you would be that when you look in your viewfinder and you have the rule of thirds displayed there, if you just make the subjects of interest maybe move a little bit closer to the center of the picture than you would otherwise, and see if that gives you better pictures, then I think you can work with something that may improve your composition, but at least it is worth a try. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.